Okay, now that I've got my machine pretty much up and running, I'm going to take a stab at fixing my Humvee door here. You can see where the stitching has pulled out. There's no damage to the material or the zipper itself. It's just over time the thread goes bad and pulls out. I've purchased kevlar thread, hoping that whatever I do on the Humvee from here on out will be fairly permanent, but we're going to give it a try. The trick is I need to get the door under here and get it through here so that I can stitch it. In order to do that, I had to remove the foot and the needle and then reassemble it, and after the door is in, and then take it apart again to get the door out. So let's see how that works. Okay, I have to be pretty careful here because I don't want to damage the presser foot. And there we go. Hey, good. I'm underneath. And I'll pull back the window. Actually, it's off the window as well. So I'll be stitching it here and along here. And that should fix it without any problem. Okay, cool. Step one. Now I have to put the needle and presser foot back on. Alright, I got it all back together, and got to make sure that I have the needle where it goes right down through the center of that hole, because if this thing's off just a little bit, it'll snap my needle, and then I'm screwed. So, everything looks good. The door is in place, and now we're going to try fixing the zipper. Okay, well I have the door inside the mechanism here, and now it's just a matter of following all the way around. Nice and slow. I've just oversewn where the damage stopped. I'm backing it up to lock the stitch in place. And I think we're good on this. So now you can see right here where it's all re-stitched to where right here is the old stitching, and it's fine. So for some reason it just deteriorated along this corner. And now I have to sew this back onto the actual clear plastic Humvee window. So again, I'm sewing the other half of the zipper to the clear vinyl window and taking it nice and slow. Concern is when I get down here to where the zipper ends, that my machine will run out of space. And perfect, that's exactly, that's really good. Now I'm backing it up, reverse it to lock the stitch on itself. And there we go. Cut the thread. Okay, I got the door out of the machine, and now here comes the end result. Move the There we go. Look at that. All right, perfect. Perfect. Now, I will, in the next month or so, be replacing this whole window and trim and changing the color of the inside of the door. My machine will be blue. The outside has already been done. And I'm going to replace this with a denim and black trim.